We're heading out to Rottnest Island today. There's a bit of a view of Perth city. Pretty impressive. Going out to Rottnest and check out these quokkas. Now we're living the dream. So we left Perth this morning, heading south for Margaret River, and we just stopped at Bunbury, and yeah, beautiful place. Hopefully get some shots of the beach on the way out, but yep, bike's going well, no issues. It's not using any oil, a bit dirty, but you get that. Yeah, it's a nice spot. So I might be telling stories. This is like the longest pier in the world or something. I don't know if it's the longest pier in the world, but there's a train that goes out to the end and it takes 45 minutes each way. So as far as I'm concerned, that's huge. Let's see if I can get a good photo of it. It's crazy. How's that pier? So this is Busselton. I'm going for a swim. It's the train heading out. that is nice. So nice.
Something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my funland. I don't ever want to leave, I'm in a tropic club.
This is our little room. Ah, yeah, baby. That in there. Nice. Ah. Wow. Holy, 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 yeah, it's lovely. That'll do. That'll do.
Wow, it's enormous.
By the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies,
Okay, bike check time. Head off to Albany tomorrow. Tell you what, tell me in the comments, this sprocket has done nearly 80,000 Ks. Still looks all right to me, I don't know. Same with the front sprocket. Can't really tell. Looks all right though. Chain's good. New tyres holding up good. Only done 5,000 Ks so far. 5,000 Ks today. It's all pretty good. Had no issues. Oh shit, what happened there? What bloody hell happened there? I don't know. Okay, the much anticipated map update. We went from Perth down to Fremantle, down Bunbury, Busselton, and we are at Margaret River now. We've been scooting around there today, and tomorrow we are going to head through the national park down to Albany.